So that's like a magnet to the downside. Let's go over the signals for today. We had 2 5-minute bar longs today. Three 7. So we had a 5-minute bar long in Apple and BABA. The Apple buy signal was at BABA was 102.35. The Apple was a 163.73. So technically those are both down. Okay. Day trade, nothing today. No harm, no foul. Lot on Option Hacker. So a lot on Option Hacker. Got a lot of signals today, guys. So Option Hacker, we had Rig, Cliff. Sound is good. BKR, Halliburton, DD, and RTX. 4-1, 2022. 4-14, 2022. 4-14, 2022. 5-20, 2022. 4-1, 2022. 3-18, 2022. 4.5 calls. 31 calls. 40 calls. 45 calls. 4 calls, and the 106 calls. Entries were 113, 45, 123, 60, 134, and then 63. Our targets go is going to be 1.5 and 2 times. Unless the stock gap's higher, then we move our targets higher. So Rig already hit target 1. You want to use a stop loss, 50% stop loss. So that's everything. Option Hacker, Penny Spike. We had 2 today. We had one in Planeteer. We had one in SoFi. Maybe we're close to the bottom of these names. We don't know. 13 calls. And then SoFi, we had the 10.5 calls. SoFi down to 23. Short squeeze. We have this short squeeze here in Cliff. A lot of signals today. LI and Trip, big longer. Halliburton and NTR calls being bought too. NTR, May calls. So NTR May calls being bought. $175 on those. RCL. So this is big swing. Cliff, RCL, and RTX. So a lot of signals today, guys. A lot of signals today. Saw some puts in RCL. 65 puts, trade 3. Cheap longer. Do we have anything? DBD. What is DBD anyways? Deadbolt. Yeah, sound is good. Cheap swing trade. Once again, BKR. Want to see some puts? You see some BZ puts. $60 BZ 17.5 puts. Don't even know what this stock does. They're buying them at 60. Let's see how many stocks hit a 52-week low today. Stocks hitting a 52-week low. 400 stocks hitting a 52-week low today. I do not have any URA calls. I tried to buy them in a pullback and I didn't get filled. 399 stocks with a 52-week low today. 399 stocks with a 52-week low. Nothing at Fallen Angels. Lottery tickets. Nothing. And then moonshots. Nothing. Here, first ETF trade now. So signals just keep coming. EWU. Next week, 34s. Trading 10 cents. I probably wouldn't take them for 10 cents, but they did hit the tape here in EWU. They did hit the tape in EWU. URI next trading. So we see a small order in ETF trade. Buyer of EWU 318. LI calls. Yeah, they didn't hit any of my scanners, so I wouldn't have taken that. 34 for a dime. Targets 15 and 20. So ETF trade, guys, our first ETF trade of the day. First ETF trade of the day. First ETF trade of the day. Futures getting crushed, down 57 now. Rig up to 115. RC up to 430. So the oil names continue to work. SoFi calls 23.24, so they're only down to 2 pennies. Futures are getting crushed. American May 10 puts trading here. American May 10 puts. American May 10 puts trading here. So no bonus trading today, guys, but what we do have is we do have education. If you're not signed up for education, you want to attend education. I don't know what today's lesson is, to be honest. Let me see if I can find it. I don't see it, but we do have education today. I'll have it by then. Oh, today's education is break evens. Break evens, guys. So calculating break evens will be today's education. Sound has been good all day. So break evens, guys. How much you should be buying every signal? 2 to 5%, I always say. 2 to 5%. So you up a little bit. Three minutes to go, 3 minutes in the go. So if I was the signal for today, kind of remind me of this hood signal, which went down initially. Based on the low of the day, SoFi could get up to 1080. So low of the day plus the ATR, it could get up to 1080. Low of the day plus the ATR could get up to 1080 potentially. ATR's got a buck on it, so we like that. Futures down 61 now. 5-minute bar, Apple loser, Baba loser. You know, this morning I wasn't too excited about getting long, and now the market's pulled back. Look at RTX go, those are up to 147. RTX up to 147 now. CEA trading here, nothing doing that one. So if I 22.23, can you use a 10-cent stop loss on those? Pinterest down. ICL line up a little bit. Cliff calls got up to 148. BKR on fire. Look at BKR go, guys. Now they're buying some Silca 18s. United States Silca and Holdings. I like the signal here in Silca, guys. I like the signal here in Silca. SLCA, guys. SLCA 18s. Buyer of SLCA 414 2022. 18 calls for 80. Targets 120 and 160. SLCA, guys, calls being bought here on Option Hacker. So more calls being bought here. This one's SLCA. 80 cents. If you really wanted to, you can get them for 90. Silka. Alright guys, that is it for today. Can't stop this recording now. Everybody have a good day. We have education here in a little while, so hopefully you guys can attend. Calculated break evens. I'll see you guys later.